Look at this beauty right here. Creamy, rich, vibrant fish curry served with fluffy white rice. And trust me, this tastes like something straight out of a restaurant. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Rabia Unfolded, a space where we make simple recipes that taste expensive. Let me show you how this incredible creamy fish curry came together. We're starting with our ingredients. For the ingredients, we've got some fresh mackerel fish, green chili peppers, garlic, onions, ginger, Roma tomatoes, coconut milk, smoked paprika, turmeric, parsley, curry powder, thyme, and of course, a little lime for that lime juice that will help brighten this beautiful dish. First, I prep my fish by removing the head and trimming off any unwanted parts. Feel free to leave the head on if that's your preference. Once clean and cut, I season the fish generously with turmeric, smoked paprika, black pepper, and seasoning salt. Then I mix everything well until every piece is beautifully coated. Then set it aside to marinate. Next, I blend my tomatoes until smooth and set them aside. Then I blend together my onions, garlic, and ginger. If you like extra heat, you can blend your chili peppers in here too. And now for the magic. In a hot pan, I add enough canola oil to coat the surface. Then I fry my marinated mackerel until golden and lightly crisped on both sides. Like about 5 minutes per side does the trick. Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor. Once beautifully fried, I remove the fish and set it aside. I'm gonna be using the same pan here because we're not wasting all that flavors, right? I pour in my blended tomatoes, give it a good stir. Welcome home. Then I cover and let that cook down for about 5 minutes. Then I add in the mix of my blended onions, garlic, and ginger. Now let's go ahead and build the flavors even more with some curry powder, a pinch of salt, thyme, and just a little more oil. Give everything a good stir. Then cover and let it steam until the moisture cooks out. And you start seeing that beautiful oil floating at the top like this. This right here, beautiful souls, this is where the flavor lives. Now I add in my chili peppers for heat and I stir it through and let it cook for another few minutes. And then comes the ingredients that transforms everything. Coconut milk. Just watch how this sauce turns into the most luxurious creamy curry base. I add just a splash of water to loosen it slightly. Then I gently return my fried mackerel back into the sauce.
Meets global flavor.
I cover and let everything simmer together for a few more minutes so the fish can soak up every drop of that flavor. To finish, beautiful souls, I add fresh parsley for brightness and a squeeze of lemon juice to wake everything up. I let it simmer for one final minute, and just like that, beautiful souls, a creamy fish curry is ready. Just tell me this doesn't look like restaurant food. It is rich, creamy, fragrant, and packed with layers of flavor. This is the kind of meal that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. So today, I'm serving mine with simple boiled white rice. But honestly, this would pair beautifully with plantain or even yams. If you love recipes that feel luxurious without being complicated, then you're in the right place. This is Rabia Unfolded, a space where we turn every ingredient into meals that feel spatial. They're either taking you back home or they're bringing you to that nostalgic experience that you don't want to forget. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me below, what would you serve this creamy fish curry with? And until next time, see you in another simple but taste expensive episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.